Give you an idea how to sew. So this is what is called a quilt.
Yeah.
And you know who that is?
Obama.
Obama.
There you go. That's Obama. See that?
Yeah.
And I made it, did the picture. It's like a what you call a picture quilt. Okay? And I was on a retreat, and we did this portrait like this here. So you can do this like portrait work. And then I took and found this to put around the sides. This is like money, right?
Yeah.
So this is why I call it Obama bill. This is an Obama bill, okay? Can you say that?
Obama
bill.
Obama bill. Beautiful, right?
Yes.
Okay. And now we have, here's another little thing that I did. And this is basically, when you do a quilt, you have 3 pieces of fabric, 3 layers. You have the top, which is called the top of the quilt. You have batting, which is a thick, fuzzy stuff, batting you put between it. And then you have a backing. And you join all that together, and it becomes a quilt when you end up doing stitching on it. Okay, see that stitching? Feel that stitching there. And then I use pretty threads. That's a shiny thread. Look at that shiny thread. Okay? It's not plain like that. And this is called stippling. Stippling. But I just took a regular drawing and drew it out. See? Yeah, feel that. Feel that.
Go ahead, touch it.
That's stippling. Stippling. Okay? And that's just a drawing, a tree. Have you drawn a tree or a face, somebody's face?
No.
You could put it. You've done drawings before, haven't you?
Yeah.
You don't draw
You don't
pictures?
take a pencil and paper and draw?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that can be. You can take that and put it on cloth too. And when you put it on a cloth, you can use thread to make something like that. Okay. Now here is another piece that I'm working on now. We're trying to bring all this together and make a banner. But look at it. This is several different fabrics brought together. This is my triangle now.
What's the banner about?
Carol, this is my triangle, huh?
So what's the banner?
A banner is, I don't think it's similar to like what's hanging over those windows there. But they have hearts.
Yeah, I know. I'm just talking about what is it going to be about. What does it mean?
It's going to depict African American Culture Society. We have African fabrics together. We have plain fabrics together, depicting American, and I guess the culture society. So we're bringing it together. See that? Look at the different fabrics on that. Is that pretty? Well, you got your, what colors?
Look at this. Heart is look like a bandana.
Yeah. Yeah. So all of us are doing several different blocks like that and putting them all together on a piece of felt and make a banner out of it.
This is multiple that I need.
Yeah. Then here's another piece. Here's another. You see this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was given a ribbon because I entered it in a contest. Just a contest. It was in New York. And this is here, almost like a banner, but it's a vertical one. What is this on here?
Flip-flop.
Ocean. What? Flip-flops and ocean.
Flip-flops. Go ahead, grab a seat and come on in. You can come and sit down. Flip-flops. You like those flip-flops?
Yeah, I see.
See that? You want to feel that? Flip-flops. And I don't think I bought it, but I have fabric. Still more fabric like that.
Like these?
And you can buy fabric. Everything's different. You can find different fabric, just like she has it on her shirt with the musical notes. Yes, grab it to me. You can find all different fabrics at the fabric store. Yeah, pass it to me. Now this is another piece. And look at it. I took an old branch and put through the loops. I made these loops to hang it on. And this was just cut from different fabric. This is what you call African fabric. See those pieces there?
Yeah, because the color looks like dirt.
Okay. African fabric. See that? You like that?
Or something.
So, those are some of the quilts. Here's another one. You feel the texture on this. This has netting on it.
Oh, that's alright.
And lettering. It says between sisters. And that's depicting a fence. See that? That's good.
What's that red thing over there?
So, like here today,
It's a pain cushion.
we're going to try to make, a little sewing thing. It holds your pins and needles and your sewing needles. So this is what we're going to try to do that. But before you do that, I want to see if you're going to be able to draw out exactly how I want you to sew. Ask for some pencils. I want everybody to get a chance to just draw how you see the stitching on this piece of paper I have. So now what we're going to do, this is similar to how you have to sew. You're going to be given a piece of fabric, and you're going to take the fabric and you're going to go around with stitching. But at first I'm going to have to show you how to.
I'm gonna mark it.
You got a pencil? First you're going to have to figure out how to thread the machine, thread the needle. But here, this is how you're going to go around the edge of the fabric, like that, with the needle and thread. Now I may show you, but I want you to make little dashes like that. Make dashes like this to go around the whole. You know how to make a line? Make it on the edge. Dashes on the edge. Dashes on the edge. That's how I want you to do. Dashes all around the square. Dashes all around the square. See that? Make that just like that. And this is how you'll end up sewing something like that. Let's see your dashes. Let's see your dashes. You didn't do it? You didn't try? Let's try. It's nothing like a
First
try.
one, that's a good one.
What's these? The blue stuff. Like.
Just a seam. Just draw the dashes around. Yeah, that's good. You're doing good. Great.
What about this?
And sometimes with the
Good.
So what you're going to do, you do a needle and thread like this.
Yeah.
Now I want you to watch first, okay? Watch.
I'm gonna.
Watch. It's always good to watch. That way you learn. See there? Two pieces of fabric. Right sides are together. You want to sit? Go ahead and sit.
That's fun to watch.
Okay. Right sides together. Like that. Okay? And you're going to take the needle. And we're going to put a knot in the end. That's the thing about it.
I don't have to. I don't know how to make a knot.
I'll show you.
Show you another trick.
I don't know how to make what I'm making. You want to learn?
Or you'll go home, Mom, let me sew your blouse for you. We'll fix your blouse for you. Okay, so we have these two pieces of fabric. And the right sides are together. Okay, like that. And of course, they're supposed to be even. Here you go for my evenness.
Here's another chair.
So here we go. Now watch this. A lot of time people are very scared of the needle because it is sharp. It is sharp, okay? But you take it and you put it into the fabric. Push it in like that. See? It went through. You bring it back out by pushing it up. That little, and you want a little. That's where you're seeing those stitches on the paper. You bring in a little stitch up, okay? And your fingers are holding that one, guiding it. Go in, go out.
Can I try?
Go in, and you go out.
Can I try?
Wait a minute, well, I can only, try that. Go ahead. Yes, you're gonna have to pull it through now. You're gonna pull it, push it, and pull it through. Everybody's gonna get a try. And threading the needle. But watch what I'm doing first. Pull it back though. You want small stitches, so come back a little bit. Make it go in now. That's good. Make it go in. maybe it would have been a good idea to mark the fabric. You can't see it on all the fabrics, right? Yeah, do a few of them together. Just put them together so they can get at least a try. When they get the fabric, maybe they just pin it together with a needle in the middle. Okay? Trying to learn to use it. Just, how you doing there? Yes. And keep your fabric, keep your fabric straight together there. See how that's... So once you get it going like that, we want to end up bringing it through. So you don't go too far. So then you pull it in through and straighten it out like that. So you start again and keep it straight. Let's get some lines going there so you know where you're going. Patient. And then you're gonna come down here just like the lines on this piece of paper. Those dotted lines, that's how you're going to follow the lines here. Well, this is what you're trying to do. Make a little area so you can put your pins. I got some pins and your needles. And they're all going to go in that way. And then...
Wait, are you going to give us them?
Huh?
Are you just going to give us them? What?
Maybe so, but if I give it to you, will you going to bring it back so you'll have it to use? No. If you keep it with me, then I can bring it back. Right? You think so? You let me know which one is better. So now here we have thread. And this is this is white thread, okay? But guess what? Thread comes in many colors. See those colors?
Yeah.
Many colors, okay? And many sizes, thread does. And then what you need is a needle, and they come in sizes. And most times, it's very hard to take a needle and thread it. That is our challenge. Be careful not to drop them, okay? But I'm gonna let you try threading the needle, okay? There you go. There you go. Let's see if you can thread a needle. Here's the thread. And look here. Here's your thread. But I'm going to show you. There you go. You try. And then I'm going to give you 3. Along with things advancing, this little thing helps you to thread in one. Well, let me show you here. Like that, see? And if you put the thread around here, like that, it'll help thread the needle. How did you do? See this here? You have to take the needle and try to push it right on the thread. See that? Carol, you better at this? There you go.
What's that?
See?
Thread the needle?
See how that is? And that came through? And that's without the gadget. 2 ends like that. And I'm taking the 2 ends and I'm twisting it around my finger. How old are you? 5? Oh, God. You want to come and watch? Let's see this here. Let's see yours. Did you thread it? No, you dropped the needle down. Did you try? Didn't get it?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave because I don't.
Okay. So, okay, you tried and you did good. See what she did? She did that. Say that. You got it? You want to try some? Come over here. You go in, out. Try that and see. And follow the line there. Okay, let's try it over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here with the needle. Do it a little bit. Try it.